What's going on YouTube? Old Tom, Rambler 69. Well, we've been working here, trying to figure out a tow vehicle for that boat that Butch sent us. And I looked at my Bronco and I was like, that come with a hitch. Let me get my hitch out. I didn't ever put it on. I put the hitch on. It's a perfect height. We got it all fixed up, towing the boat. But the biggest thing I wanted to show this video for the other guys and anyone interested is I had ordered a 3D printed vintage outboard 8 to 10 horsepower, and it just came in today, and I got it hung on the back just sitting there, and I think it looks great, guys. Take a look at this. Now we got an outboard, and very nice 3D printing, so I think it looks really nice on there, and we'll get it painted up and get the cables run, and I think that's going to look really cool. So for you guys that been lucky enough to get a boat from Butch, I can always get you guys the info. It's on over on Shapeways. There's a guy making these 3D printed. I think it was right around, I think it was like almost 11 bucks, and then you got shipping and their handling and whatever else, so came to like 18 bucks, so no big deal. I think it looks cool. Make it matches good, and gotta put that little dolly wheel, get that glued on the side now, because it'll be attached here on the Bronco. So I think we got a sweet little tow vehicle, and I can stick it in the case here and keep it all dust free. So guys, let me know what you think. What you think of that motor. I think it looks pretty cool. So we'll look at some pictures of vintage outboards now and do some research and figure out what color we're going to paint it and get that all looking right. But I think it looks awesome. So there you go. Old Tom, Rambler 69. We're at her, guys.